Hey guys, welcome to Cara's Cucina. I'm Cara Di Falco. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make tequila chipotle shrimp, and this recipe comes to us from our friends over at Food and Wine. Stay tuned, I'm going to tell you how you can win this book. Great food isn't just about good ingredients and knowing how to cook, it's about telling the story of the food. We are going to be making this great recipe from the dinner special book that is behind me. And what I love about this book is it is divided not only by season, so seasonal ingredients, but each recipe is actually 3 recipes in one, so it makes a full meal. So it's really great, easy weeknight dinners for you guys. So I'm going to show you how to make one of these main courses, the shrimp dish, and then of course you do this over rice with some vegetables as well, and it makes a really easy family dinner. So for our ingredients, we have 1 pound of shrimp. I try to get wild-caught shrimp. I've got 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes. I went a little heavy on the pineapple. It calls for a 1/4 cup of pineapple, but I love pineapple, so it's probably about a 1/2 cup there. I've also got a tablespoon of tequila, about 1/2 a red onion chopped up, and this is 1 chili in adobo sauce that's also been chopped up. These come in a can, so you just pull 1 out and then seal the rest off. You can use it for some other dishes later. We're gonna start off by putting 2 tablespoons of oil in our pan and start letting that heat up. Our oil is heated up over medium-high heat. We're gonna add in that onion. And our pepper. And we're gonna let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until that onion starts to soften up. Okay, we've let this cook a little bit. Our onions have started to soften. Great smell from the chili and adobo. And at this point, we're gonna add in our diced tomatoes. So again, this is 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes. We'll get this all incorporated. And we're gonna let this cook down for another 2 minutes or so. Our mixture has now come to a simmer. We've got lots of bubbles. So at this point, we're gonna add in our shrimp and season everything with some salt and pepper. So we wanna just get those shrimp in there, try to get them all kind of nestled in. And I'm kind of just putting them in by hand because then I want them all on one side so that once they start to turn, I can easily flip them all over. Salt. Pepper. As soon as you see the edges of your shrimp starting to turn color, we're gonna just kind of give them all a good flip, spoon this all around, let them finish cooking. And you really never wanna overcook shrimp, so always better to kind of err on the side of less. You can always toss them back in the pot if they need to be cooked a little bit more, but once they're overcooked, they really kind of become very chewy. So you really don't wanna do that. Okay, these all look good. We're gonna take this off the heat. I'm actually gonna move this bowl. We're gonna take our shrimp off the heat and we're gonna finish the dish with our pineapple and tequila. So we're gonna get this all stirred in. That is it for this week in the Cucina. We want to thank our friends over at Food and Wine and Oxmoor House Publishing for sending us their latest book. Guys, if you want that book, hit that subscribe button. Everybody who subscribes for the month of May will be entered to win, and I will shoot you a message through YouTube to let you know if you have won the book. So again, really great book, organized by season, full meals in there for you. So I really enjoyed this cookbook. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. You can find this at caradifalco.com. You can find me at Cara Di Falco, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And I hope to see you guys next week when we bring you another great recipe. Buon appetito.